Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We've got a great Ask a Ninja question from Daniel in Charlotte. And basically, what he's asking is probably something many of you have seen. He wants to know, he says he's got a crawl space that has no standing water, but there is a drain pipe to somewhere. He calls it the Oblivion in a lower corner. When encapsulating, what do you guys do with that? Also, would you think I need a sump pump based on what you see? Well, Daniel, let's get into this. Stay tuned. Okay, so again, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and Basement Ninja. And before I talk about Daniel's situation, I just wanted to mention that he's from the Charlotte, North Carolina area, and we are currently looking for a franchise owner in Charlotte, North Carolina. So if you live in that area and you want to be a Crawl Space Ninja franchise owner, we hope you will check out crawlspaceninja.com/Charlotte-NC for more information. And look at that right there. You see that now serving Columbus, Georgia? That's Dustin. He's our franchise owner down in Columbus, and he just got featured in a franchise magazine where his business is just exploding. They interviewed him, his ninjas, his wife, and all that, and he is booked up over a month with business. So anyway, if you're in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, just like Daniel is, and you're looking to become a business owner, check out our opportunity there in Charlotte. So let's move right into this. Number one, I wanted to thank you, Daniel, for sending us some pictures. So the pipe to Oblivion. The first thing you asked me was, would I recommend you putting in a sump pump based on the information I am seeing in these pictures? And yes, I have to say I would recommend a sump pump in the event that you're taking on a lot of heavy rain. Now remember, in January and February of this year, this is 2020, we had a ton of rain. In January and February of 19, we had a ton of rain. As a matter of fact, East Tennessee got like 5 inches in 4 hours of rain and flooded all kinds of crawl spaces and basements. Now, that's not to say over the next 10 years we have low levels of rain or even a drought. A few years ago, we had such a drought that we had huge forest fires even in East Tennessee. But let's just pretend that we're going to get another heavy rain in the next 12 months. Take a look at this picture right here. We've got this stuff right here. This is efflorescence. This is a calcification that happens inside of cinder block and concrete. This is showing me that you've got heavy moisture intrusion through that block wall up high, okay? And then you've also got a lot of moist ground here. I know you said you removed the plastic to expose this. So I'm seeing a lot of moisture. I don't know when the last time you had a heavy rain was, Daniel, but I'm seeing a lot of moisture here. And then I got efflorescence up high above that pipe. But here's something else I noticed. Take a look at this. This pipe going to Oblivion, this guy has mud coming from the outside in. How do I know this? Because I can see mud built up right along this area. So I'm thinking that water, even though this pipe probably stubs into the ground outside, it probably doesn't go anywhere. The builder or whoever stuck this in while they were building the house, and then they just stubbed it in maybe to satisfy some codes enforcement person or whatever, but it looks like water is running from the outside in. I know it's going up at an angle, but I think it's getting so much water from the outside in that water is actually draining into the crawl space. So I would recommend a sump pump. Even if you cap this pipe, I think you're still going to get a lot of water based on what I'm seeing here. But you also asked me, how do we cap this? Well, basically just figure out, that looks like about a 3 or 4 inch PVC pipe. Doesn't look like sewer and drain. It looks like a schedule, whatever the bigger one is. I forget, I'm not a plumber. I think it's schedule 40 if I'm not mistaken. So it's a thick walled PVC pipe. Get you a cap and clean up this pipe really well, and then put some PVC glue on there and cap that dude really good, and that should stop water from coming in the crawl space from this pipe? So those are some great questions there, Daniel, from Charlotte, North Carolina. And this month's prize, I want you to tell me, first of all, subscribe to our channel and tell me what's the craziest thing you've ever found in your crawl space in our comments down below, and you're going to be entered to win one of our humidity readers. My name's Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja and Basement Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.